question is, where's the source from the Torah that says that a person shouldn't go to sleep if he's angry and, let's say there's a conflict between him and his wife, or her and her husband, whatever it is, whoever's angry. Where's the source? Now, to some extent, a person may get to a point where his only solution is to go to sleep, because he doesn't know how to work, that's the only way that he knows how to deal with it. I personally don't advise it, because of the pasuk that I just mentioned in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 29, verse 18. A person says, Shalom yeli, it's everything is fine, it's just going to go away. And Hashem says, that person, I'm never going to forgive him. Kal v'chomer, that his wife or his husband can say, oh, you just cursed me and my family out, and now you're going to sleep? I'm never going to forgive you. I'm never going to forgive you. Why? If you could insult me, you could hit me, you could diss me, you could that me, you could do all the bad things you did to me, and then go to sleep like nothing happened, that means you really care less about me. In fact, you actually hate me more than I thought when you said those things. If you can go to sleep under such conditions when I'm suffering, saying, Shalom yeli, it's going to peace upon me, everything's okay. You're sleeping and I'm crying my heart out. Hashem Hashem, you may not wake up. You may not wake up. Why? That person is going to suffer the whole night because they can't go to sleep. They're crying the whole night. Their heart's broken. But you're sleeping. Let me scan, he's tired. Yeah, you should have thought about that before you cursed our mother out. Thought about that before you yelled at her. Before you insulted her. Before you insulted him. Saying everything's okay, I'll deal with it tomorrow. You'll deal with it tomorrow. Yeah, but she's dealing with it now. He's dealing with it now. So this is a part of being considerate for the other party. Understanding that when you have empathy, you're thinking about it from their perspective. When you're selfless, you're thinking about it from their perspective. Okay, you're over it. You're not angry anymore. You're okay. Fine. You're tired. Fine. But they're still angry. They're still upset. They're still offended. They're still hurt. And you're just going to go to sleep and let them stay that way? It's not fair. That's not being selfless. That's being selfish. Yeah, but I'm tired. Exactly. You're selfish. Your tiredness is more important than their heart. That's not nice. So, this was pure siyat d'ishmaya as far as answering your question, because I didn't have an answer to your question when you asked it.